This full HD video is best viewed on a large computer screen and will show you how to install LibreWolf browser to a Linux computer. For this tutorial, I will use a Linux Mint laptop. LibreWolf also works in Windows and in Mac OS, but if you are concerned about security and privacy, you shouldn't be using Windows 11. To install LibreWolf on a Linux computer, go down to the panel and click on the menu button. Click on Administration and on Software Manager. Up top, type LibreWolf. Press on the LibreWolf icon. Press on Install and down on Continue. LibreWolf is now installing. When installed, you could click on Launch, but I will show you my preferred method to open LibreWolf. Go down and click on Menu, and up in the search bar type LibreWolf. Right-click on LibreWolf icon, and below left-click on Add to Panel and/or on Add to Desktop. As you can see, I have added LibreWolf shortcuts to the desktop and to the panel below. To add a shortcut, press on Pencil icon and Customize will appear. After pressing on the pencil, press on Manage More Settings. You then get to choose what shortcuts you want. I only selected the shortcuts I wanted. You can add a shortcut by pressing on the plus sign. The title could be something like LibreWolf Browser and the URL could be that YouTube video. Click up on the 3-bar hamburger icon at the top and click down on Extensions and Themes. As you can see, the best ad blocker, uBlock Origin, is already installed by default in LibreWolf. Again, click up on the 3-bar hamburger icon at the top and click down on Settings. Under General, you can scroll down to Discover More options. This is where you choose what and how many shortcuts you want on the LibreWolf home screen, as I previously showed. For privacy, I don't use Microsoft's tracking search engines, Bing or Google Chrome. Scroll down if you wish to see more privacy and security options. Down below are more LibreWolf preferences for you to explore. By default, all options are set for best privacy and security. In description below this video is a link showing how to use a Firefox add-on to download YouTube videos without ads. Also in description below this video is a YouTube link to all my Linux Mint 1080 tutorials. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and forward the YouTube link to your friends. And to be notified when I upload another video, subscribe to Linux Mint 1080 tutorials.